always tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
Okay, today we get a break from the snow, and interesting enough, our next chance of precipitation is going to be rain as warmer air moves in. Snow way up to our north with a push of some warmer air, and also you can see the lake effect snow showers dying out in the eastern Great Lakes. Interesting visible satellite loop. You can see some low-level clouds out there, basically Grand Rapids northward. They're kind of drifting ever so slowly to the north. At the same time, some high-level clouds out there, and you can also see the lake effect. Just love looking at the visible satellite this time of year. And of course, this white down here is snow on the ground. Basically, 97% of the state is covered with snow at the present time, with an average depth right around 9 inches. Current visibility out there, you can see the snow is coming to an end, so good visibility area wide. For the most part, we're looking at quad cam setup with temperatures in the mid-20s right now, with that filtered sunshine poking through, whether you're in Holland or Kalamazoo. So here's the current temperatures throughout the state. The cool spot up there in the Gaylord area at 19. We're at 24, not just here in Grand Rapids, but also Kalamazoo and Muskegon. And this is warmer than yesterday by a good solid, well, 3 to as much as 10 degrees, and we're going to feel that as you head outside today. Southeast wind out there is pushing down those feel-like temperatures in the teens, but those will go up in the 20s this afternoon as well. And here's that wind out there. I want to show you it right now because it's basically going to be between 5 and 15 miles an hour throughout the afternoon. That changes tonight. On the other side of a warm front that presses through, notice how these winds really ramp up tonight. It's actually going to be a little windy by early tomorrow, and that wind is going to be right out of the south and west, and we're going to feel some very, very mild temperatures. I think in some areas will actually push towards 50 degrees. Here's the breakdown with the Futurecast. Backside of high pressure system, that's why we have that southeast wind or southerly wind. Warm front moves through tonight. No precipitation with that. But as this cold front approaches, the moisture is going to start building in. We could see a little bit of drizzle early tomorrow morning, but the better chance of more widespread rain will start breaking out, it looks like, first north and northwest of Grand Rapids Wednesday evening, and this is going to drop to the south. Now, it's going to be a battle between the colder air and also the surge of moisture and warm air from the south, and that battle zone is going to play out right here in southwest lower Michigan. That's why we have the stationary front here. And what's going to happen is an area of low pressure is going to form along the stationary front and right along it. Now, this is just one forecast model, the Barron model. This is Thursday at 8 o'clock, shows a wintry mix of sleet and freezing rain out there, changing over to snow. That would be heavy according to this model, especially with the track of the storm heading right or just south of Toledo. That put us in the sweet spot for snow. Now, not all forecast models agree with that, and usually by this point we have a little more clarity in terms of what the forecast is, but I'll be honest with you, we don't yet, so stay tuned. You'll be able to see that the GFS model has a wintry mix south of Grand Rapids, changing over to snow by Thursday morning and rain off to the south. European model, kind of a similar setup as well. Rain to the south, a little bit of a mixture, Grand Rapids towards Kalamazoo. In terms of snow forecast, now this gives you an idea just how complicated the forecast is. Barron model, a foot of snow for Grand Rapids. Contrast that with the European and the Canadian model, 1 inch, and this is Kalamazoo. I think we're going to end up somewhere around 3 to 4 inches here in Grand Rapids, higher amounts to the south. And the National Weather Service hasn't even issued a watch yet, so they're kind of confused as well. And you can see things quiet down as we head into the weekend.
So do you think when we go into Thursday morning, say on daybreak, that we'll have a pretty good idea of how this is setting up?
Oh, yeah, by that point, yes. But keep in mind, we're down a radar.
That's right. Yes. Perfect timing, right?
That doesn't help things either.
Yeah. Oh, wow. And it's down for maintenance,
yes,
just so everyone knows.
Down for maintenance.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. Thank you, Matt.